Hello there, this is a Galactica Transticker with another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to discuss how to use automation. That is volume automation, panning automation, and how to automate your EQ using a modulator. And towards the end I'm going to show you how to use New York style compression to make your drums stand out more in your mix. So firstly, volume automation. So I've quickly constructed this song from Apple Loops. It's just for a demonstration. So what I want some volume automation on the bass, so that the bass gradually fades out. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to press A on my keyboard. That launches automation mode. As you can see here, there's a line through each region. So to add some volume automation, I'll make sure this parameter here is set to volume. Then I'll double click on the point where I want the automation to start. So there. And I want it to fade out to nothing. So I'll double click there. So that's faded that out. So if I solo that track, you will probably hear it. Perfect. So that's volume automation. So now this Vox synth here, I want this to pan. So I want it to move from left to right. So if you imagine like your left speaker and your right speaker, when you pan to the left, it'll only play through the left speaker, and if you pan to the right, it'll only play to the right. So, but I want to go from left to right, so vice versa. So let's do that. So I need to select the parameter in this to pan. So you click on pan and then absolute. So what I want it to go from left to right. So again, all I'm doing is double clicking on the region. I'm literally putting in that automation there. And as you can see, this in this area here, the knob is actually facing towards the right. So as you'll see, that'll go from left to right when I play it back. So let's play that back. So if I solo that. So you get the idea of that. So it automatically does that now. So what I want to do now, I want to take it a step further, and I want to use the modulator to modulate my EQ on the memory synth chime, which is at the bottom of the list. So I press A to get back out of automation mode, and I'm going to select the MIDI file which I want. Please note this this trick only works if it's a MIDI file. So in Logic, MIDI files are usually green, and your audio files are usually blue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select MIDI FX. So in this, I select modulator. Now, the modulator, and we'll use a LFO, low frequency oscillator. So you can actually choose the waveform that you want. So you can have like a saw wave, a sine wave, a square wave, or variable. I want the saw wave, so it follows that sort of pattern at that rate. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to firstly create a loop so I can play it back while I'm doing it. So I'll play that now. Open my modulator, and then I'm going to open my EQ. As you see, nothing's happening at the moment as the EQ. So I'm going to select my low pass filter here. So that's that there, that's a low pass filter. And I'm going to add a little bit of resonance like that. Now, go back to the modulator. In the modulator, I'm going to click on Learn Plugin Parameter. And now, I'm going to click on that there. As you can see, it's automatically moving the EQ, so the low pass filter, to that waveform. I can then change the rate. That sounds pretty cool. So let's see what that sounds with the rest of it. Okay, so that's how you do that. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to improve these drums. So I'm going to use a New York style compression to do that. So I'm going to loop them so I can actually work on them. So to do that, what you have to do, you have to create a send. So in the inspector, you select send it to a bus. So I'm going to choose, say, bus 12. So Logic will create a buzz channel next to that, so I'm going to add a compressor to that. So the compressor needs to be a very hard compression, so you take off the auto gain, we don't need that. So I'm going to do a very hard compression on it. High ratio, fast attack. Oh, slow. Hold on. That's it. So a fast attack and the knee. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to send the drums to this channel. So to do that, all I do is press Option and click on this knob here. That will automatically send it to 0 decibels. So when I play it back, and then, as you can see, the gauge on the left is the input, and the gauge on the right is the output. So we need to make up that gain. So to do that, we use the makeup. Not too much. As you can see how the compressor is actually working on it from this graph. So as you can see, if I play it back, so that's with the New York style and without. Without. You can clearly hear a difference there to the drums. So that's how to make your drums stand out a little bit more in your mix. I hope that has helped, and subscribe and like the video. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers so I can actually get my videos monetized. Thank you, and thanks for watching, and see you again.